Hi, this is Thomas, and welcome back. Better mindset, better life. Today, I want to talk about an insurance product in Canada called critical illness insurance. As the name suggested, the product is designed to protect against severe sickness and conditions such as cancer, heart attack, stroke. I want to go through the pros and cons of this insurance product. Why is it important to know? How is that different compared to disability insurance? Should I consider life insurance or critical illness insurance first? CI insurance is relatively new compared to life and disability insurance. It was founded by Dr. Marius Bernard back in 1983 in South Africa. Dr. Bernard realized while patients' survival rate was getting higher, they were often left in serious financial difficulties as a result of treatment costs. Since life insurance could not pay out, he believed that there should be a product out there to provide an immediate financial relief. The insurance was first introduced to cover the 4 major conditions: cancer, heart attack, stroke, and heart bypass surgery. But now, it can cover up to 26 different severe sickness and conditions. For instance, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson, or Alzheimer's diseases. Take cancer for example. Right now, cancer is the leading cause of death in Canada and is responsible for 30% of all deaths. An estimate of 225,000 of new cases of cancer and 32% deaths from cancer will occur in Canada in 2020. And the trend will be 1 in 2 Canadians is expected to develop cancer during their lifetime. But the amazing part is, if you were diagnosed with cancer now as opposed to getting the same diagnosis 15 years earlier, the survival rate is much better thanks to the advanced medication. The healthcare system in Canada is publicly funded, which means the majority of the medical expense happening in the hospital has been taken care of. What critical illness insurance can do is to provide a financial relief on other costs that's related to it. And here's a list what people use the money for. Imagine if you were battling a severe illness, would it reduce your stress level if you know the mortgage payment has been dealt with, or your family can also take time off, or get a second doctor's opinion on treatments immediately? The biggest difference between critical illness insurance and disability insurance is disability insurance is designed for the job income replacement. Therefore, the cost of the insurance depends on the nature of the job. It provides in a monthly payment and most of the plans expire at age 65. Versus, CI insurance pays in a lump sum of cash and the coverage can last until the day the insured passes away. The cost of CI insurance is based on the age, gender, lifestyle, and family history. For a coverage of $100,000, the cost for a 30-year-old healthy non-smoker Canadian will start around $40 per month. And there's a choice of getting a coverage for a set interval, such as for the next 5, 10, or 20 years, or longer time frames to age 75 or age 100. There are other side benefits such as premium refund and waiver of premium in case of disability. The great thing about critical illness insurance is to help the insurer to gain options and independence. It covers what life insurance or disability insurance cannot do. And unlike auto insurance, the plan is guaranteed premium in Canada. Once the contract is binded, the insurance company cannot adjust the premium for any future changes. 2 very important things, and applies to all critical illness insurance. There's a survival period for certain conditions such as strokes and heart-related conditions. The survival period means you need to be alive for at least 30 days since the diagnosis was made before the policy can pay out. Also, for cancer coverage, no investigations or diagnosis of cancer within the first 90 days of the effective date of the insurance. Therefore, it is very important when there's a change or upgrade for the CI plans, make sure that 3 months is well covered. The rule of thumb of whether should you own a critical illness insurance is, first, ask yourself, do you need it? How much coverage do you need? Then decide on which type of the CI plans that fits in the budget. Please talk to your insurance advisor to plan accordingly. I want to raise the awareness of having adequate protections. I know lots of people will have life insurance, but not enough protection for illness and disability. I still see countless of GoFundMe cases in the past years. One thing I know for sure, when the stress goes down, the chance you beat cancer, heart attack, stroke will be much higher. Thanks so much for staying with me. Comment below if you agree with me or not. And this is Thomas. I will see you in the next videos.